Maybe I'm Teresa. Maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that is my nickname. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Nice meeting you. Again, I am Rice. I am a Twitch streamer, a content creator, and I talk here about Twitch updates, about my behind the scenes of content creation. And also I talk about maybe some questions I get on stream or like some Q&A things. I guess that is a question and answer, but like advice maybe that people have asked me. And today I want to talk about finance. I know you'll be like, wait a minute, didn't she just say she's a Twitch streamer? Yeah. And a content creator? Yeah. But I'm not necessarily a finance channel, but I am a person on this art and we all need to like have money to pay for things. So finance is everyone's issue. So since it's been asked of me on stream, on Discord, and in real life from people, I said, you know what, might as well do a video of something that I haven't seen talked about as much as crypto, stocks, and all the money, or bank accounts and that. But the plan before you choose what to do, how to plan for a financial goal. So a Twitch streamer, if you want a new computer, you need to plan to save it. If you want to move somewhere to live, you might have to plan how you're going to pay the movers, how to do that. Everything is about planning. So I think this is the idea of this video. And I try to keep my videos under 10 minutes. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm out of breath already. Imagine. Okay. So this is a diagram. It's already on risk tolerance and be honest. Why? Because this is what I want to talk about today. This is going to be on my Pinterest. It's going to be down in the description. Shout out to Random Raddy because she noticed that my Pinterest was out of sorts. So thank you. And I actually did this diagram also on Canva, thanks to Random Raddy, who did a video on her YouTube channel about that. Check her out, please. Random Raddy. She does random videos, which is why her name is Random Raddy, but really good and informative. So back to the topic. Financial goal, whether it is for short or long term. I did this diagram. Again, I'll link it to my Pinterest down below. If this is at all helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe, leave a comment if you want to add anything to this diagram or any questions, or if anything else comes to your mind, dislike the video and let me know. Basically, this is my first financial video, so let me know. But I made this diagram again to recap the steps I think is needed before you invest or you go save your money in an account, whatever. Have a plan. I'm a planner. And even me, sometimes I feel and things switch up and you have to like switch up whatever. Your mistake is just a learning opportunity, but you need to have a plan. So you have some plan B, you have something to fall back on, and you don't stay stuck in the failure and just give up, if that makes sense. So I did it in 4 steps, which is risk tolerance and be honest with yourself, financial strategy, 3, emotion control, and 4, have an exit plan contingency. If you have to leave before the exit planned date. But again, today I just want to talk about risk tolerance and be honest. So which means determining the best strategy based on your personality and behavior. You need to know this to implement the right method for each goal or to focus on only one goal. To help us do that, I have made a quiz, actually. 4 questions, very quick, because again, my video under 10 minutes, and we'll jump right into it after this. So please stay till the end of the video so you can know your answer to the quiz, to know your risk tolerance. And the most important, be honest with yourself, because there's no right or wrong answers. This is just to determine how tolerant you are towards the risk of losing money. That's it. And logically, it's higher reward, higher risk. So you'll have a better feel if you have no clue at all of your risk tolerance. I'm not here telling you to go buy any stock, to buy any crypto, not sponsored by any financial institution. So I'm really just going very globally. So that is why I feel like I wasn't seeing this on YouTube. And I was like, I would have liked to have seen this on YouTube. So I'm making the video I would like to have seen. And again, if this was at all helpful, please subscribe. Let me know. Okay. And in the comments. Okay. Let's go. So I'm already, you didn't see the end. So let's go. First question. Pause the video if you need more time to answer them. Okay. 4 questions. Okay. And it's a starting point. And big time, I am not a financial advisor. This is entertainment purpose only. I haven't given you one advice to go invest in this account or not. So you don't know this is not financial advice. This is, again, a video I would have liked to see from the beginning instead of seeing all the options to do and not how to know if my risk tolerance, Okay. You have a chance to win money. You rather get 100 now for certain. No question asked. They just give it to you. Don't even play a game. They just give it to you. That's A. B. You rather flip one coin for a chance for 500. It falls on heads, you get it. It falls on tails, you don't get it. One chance. You rather roll a dice for a chance of 1,000. If it falls on 6, you get it. If it doesn't, you don't get it. Okay. You rather roll 2 dices for a chance of 2,000. If you get double 6, if you don't get 12 one time, you don't get it. Next question. Which do you rather? A. Go slowly with hardly any risk, but hardly any returns on the long term. Maybe even a lower percent of money is going to be taken from you as time goes along. You might lose a small percent of money. B. Go slowly with some risk, but normally long-term growth later on. I just noticed I wrote hardly long. That's okay. C. Some money growing slower with some risk, but most of the possibility of higher returns with moderate to high risk. Okay? Some of your money is still, I'll say, growing slow with some risk. And most of it, though, is on a higher risk solution. D. All in for higher risk and reward. All your money, high risk. Okay. 3. Imagine losing 30 to 40% of your savings for a goal in a month with unknown date of recovery. You won't know when you get it back. A. Couldn't be me. Okay. B. Taking the rest of my money into a safer option. C. Feels bad, man, but you sticking it in. D. Cool as a cucumber. Again, pause if you need to. Just pause it and you can read back the question. Take your time. There's no right or wrong answers. Okay? 4. Last question. Imagine losing 50 to 60% of your savings for a goal. Overnight. Not a month like last time. Overnight with unknown date of recovery. You don't know when it's coming back. A. I don't even live in that dimension of possibilities. B. Couldn't be me. C. Feels bad, man. You can't sleep. So you take out some of it and rethink the strategy. Not all of it. You're going to take out some of it to maybe reinvest or put in a saving account. I'm not telling you what, do not financial advice. You're just rethinking your strategy. D. You're YOLO. You already know though. You know the song, oh. No? You know it. You only live once. That's the motto. Baby YOLO. Every day. Every day. You don't care what anybody say. Can't see him because the money in the way. What up? I'll stop. That's a Drake reference. I'm going to stop. Don't cancel me. Don't subscribe. But that's it. Now calculate how much A, B, C's, and D's you have. You have literally 4 questions, so quick calculation. So what you have most is what's going to be the most you have on the spectrum. It's okay if you have different answers for most. It's a spectrum. You can be all one thing or you can be just on a spectrum, but it gives you an idea. You should be able to locate yourself on the low to high. So let's go. A. If you have mostly A's, you play it as safe as possible. You low risk tolerance. If you have B, you have a taste of risk, but safe is preferred. Some risk tolerance. If you got mostly C, you risky on the weekends. That's why I like you risky on the weekends. That's you're like a little risk, but only on the weekends. That's now in you're more than a taste. It's a every week thing. Okay, your moderate risk tolerance. But after D, your risk is your safe word. Risk is like you and risk, you're close. Like you got it. So you aggressive risk tolerance. So that's it. That is my thing. Let me know if it helped you. If let me know your risk tolerance if you would like to share it. What did you get? Did you get risky on the weekends? Did you get play it as safe as possible? Did you get risk is my safe word? Or did you get I'll say, low risk possibility? Let me know. And thank you for watching until then. Until next time. Bye.